Hi friends, in this lesson I will explain how to disable and lock the Wi-Fi assistant that uses cellular data when Wi-Fi is weak. Before we start, if this is your first time, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, follow, like and share this video with your friends and family. Now, let's open the settings app. Once you see this interface, scroll down until you find the option labeled Wi-Fi Assistant. Then turn it off from there. If you press it and it doesn't turn off, just pull. Taskbar. From the top, enable the cellular data option like this. You will see the option turn a pale green color and then disable it again. You will see the option get locked as shown. And you can read this information here in this video. Our lesson ends here, my friends. You can watch this playlist containing important iPhone tutorials that will be useful. See you next time, friends.